In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide apps on your iPhone. Hiding apps on your iPhone can enhance privacy by preventing others from accessing sensitive information or content you prefer to keep private. It can also declutter your home screen, making it easier to find and focus on the apps you use most frequently. To do this, simply just long hold on any free space on your home screen. You will then add an app into another app to create a new folder, just like how I'm going to drag my Airbnb app into the Threads app. As you can see, the folder is created successfully. The next step is to hide any app into the second slide of this newly created folder. Let's say you want to hide the TikTok app. Simply drag it into the second slide of this folder. When your folder sets to normal, ain't nobody except you can realize that there is any hidden app into this folder, even if it's opened. They still can't realize unless they slide to left. This also helps reduce distractions and maintain a more organized digital environment. That's how easy it is to hide certain apps on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.